Picture this. You're exhausted. You finally get into bed, and just as you're about to drift off, your mind decides to host a marathon of every worry, every mistake, and every what if imaginable. It feels like you're at war with your own brain. But what if the key to finally winning that battle and getting peaceful sleep is already hiding in your daily routine? In this video, we're sharing 5 simple, science-backed lifestyle changes that will help you quiet that racing mind for good. So, why does anxiety always seem to crash the party the moment your head hits the pillow? During the day, our minds are bouncing between work, chores, and a million other distractions. But at night, when all that noise finally fades, your brain gets its first real chance to process everything. If you've been running on stress, your body can stay in a state of high alert, making it almost impossible to wind down. This kicks off an awful cycle. Anxiety ruins your sleep, and poor sleep makes you even more anxious the next day. But you absolutely can break this cycle. These aren't just quick fixes, they're long-term shifts that will retrain your brain and body for peace at night. First up, and this one is a game changer, is getting your body on a rock-solid, consistent sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every single day. And yes, I mean even on weekends. This consistency is everything because it regulates your body's internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm. When your body knows what to expect, it gets way better at managing the hormones that control sleep and wakefulness, like melatonin and cortisol. This simple habit makes it so much easier to fall asleep and stay asleep, building a stable foundation that protects you from those anxious nights. Our second change is to create what I like to call a digital sunset. For at least 1 hour before you plan to go to sleep, all screens go dark. No phone, no tablet, no computer, and no TV. We know that the blue light coming from these devices messes with your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that signals to your brain that it's time for sleep. But it's not just about the light, it's about the mental stimulation. Mindlessly scrolling social media or binging an intense show keeps your brain fired up, the exact opposite of the calm state you need to fall asleep. Try replacing that screen time with something calming. That brings us to our next point. You can't expect your mind to go from 100 to 0 in 5 seconds flat. That's why the third change is to build a mindful wind-down ritual. This is a 30-minute buffer before bed that's dedicated to calming activities. This ritual becomes a powerful signal to your body and mind that the day is officially over and it's time to rest. You could take a warm bath or shower. It helps lower your body temperature afterward to promote sleep. You could also do some gentle stretching, listen to chill music, or read a physical book in dim light. The activity itself isn't as important as the consistency. This routine becomes a powerful psychological cue for sleep. If any of these ideas are already hitting home and you felt that late night worry spiral yourself, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps this video reach more people who might need to hear this. Now, let's get to our fourth change, which is a lifesaver for a racing. Change number 4 is a simple but incredibly effective technique I call the worry purge. The main reason anxiety spikes at night is because it's the first quiet moment we have to actually face our worries. The solution? Schedule your worry time for earlier in the evening. Keep a notebook nearby, and before you start your wind-down routine, take just 10 minutes to write down everything that's weighing on you. It can be a to-do list for tomorrow or just a brain dump of your fears. The act of getting these thoughts out of your head and onto paper helps you park them for the night, preventing them from circling endlessly while you're trying to sleep. Finally, our fifth lifestyle change doesn't happen at night at all. It starts the moment you wake up. To fix your nights, you have to get your days right. This change is all about anchoring your circadian rhythm with 2 key habits: natural light and movement. Try to get at least 30 minutes of natural daylight, ideally in the morning. This is one of the most powerful signals you can send to your body's internal clock. On top of that, regular physical activity is a fantastic way to burn off anxiety and improve your sleep quality. Just make sure to keep intense workouts earlier in the day and avoid them within 3 hours of bedtime, as that jolt of energy can sometimes make it harder to fall asleep. So there you have it, 5 lifestyle changes to finally put an end to nighttime anxiety. Let's do a quick recap. 1. Create consistency with the golden rule of rhythm. 2. Power down all your screens for a digital sunset. 3. Ease into sleep with a mindful wind-down ritual. 4. Get your worries onto paper with a worry purge. And 5. Set your internal clock with a daylight anchor. These aren't overnight fixes, but they are consistent habits that create real lasting change. By bringing them into your life, you're taking back control and teaching your body that nighttime is for rest, not for worry. You deserve peaceful sleep, and you have the power to make it happen. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more science-backed tips for living well, and let me know in the comments which of these changes you're going to try first. Thanks for watching.